Inside the IndustryUX tool builder, we create a new media project for WinCC Unified, bundling two ready-made tools, a PDF reader and a media player. We open the asset library and import our media, a set of industrial maintenance clips. We organize them into folders and select the videos we want to feature inside the player. Next, we launch the Smart Tools setup wizard for the media player. We confirm a media, then pick a theme that sets the color palette of the whole interface. In the style step, we choose a rendering preset, cinema, training playlist, theater, or broadcast, and we preview the result live in both landscape and portrait. This brings us to the tool editor with the full media player and its playlist. On the right, we fine-tune themes, styles, and properties, choosing predefined palettes, or even generating a custom theme straight from our company logo. Once the tool looks right, we switch to preview and generate the component. IndustryUX packages everything into a WinCC custom web control, exposing the playlist, the appearance, and a media playback properties as native configurable options. The control is downloaded as a packaged archive. We extract it, and inside, we find the control together with its user manuals and documentation, all ready to copy into our project. Now we move into TIA Portal, the Siemens engineering environment. We import the media player simply by dragging it into the project, and it drops straight onto our WinCC Unified screen, ready to use just like any other standard control. With the control in place, we define its object properties, the playlist, the appearance, and the playback controls and triggers. Every option we design in the tool builder reappears here, ready to wire up to the panel. With everything connected, we compile the project. TIA Portal builds the complete runtime configuration, embedding our new media control alongside the rest of the WinCC Unified application, and checks that every binding is consistent. Then we download the runtime straight to the operator panel. In just a few minutes of development, the whole tool moves from a blank project to a fully packaged control, running live on a real WinCC Unified station with no coding at all. And here it is, live in WinCC Unified runtime. Our media player runs directly on the panel, streaming the maintenance videos on demand, with the full playlist always available right next to the viewer for quick access. Operators play each clip with on-screen captions that guide the procedure step by step and switch between videos straight from the playlist. Interactive maintenance media, designed, packaged, and deployed to WinCC Unified in just a few minutes with IndustryUX.